Hey guys, I'm at Liberty Hill Farm in Vermont, and it's a dairy farm, and that's why there's all these cows. And today I'm going to be helping a mother with its milking, giving a baby cat it's a baby calf its milk, and all sorts of things. Also, we'll be seeing the kittens, and also he's pulling my pants down. Oh my god. Yeah, so let's get straight into it. He's had a baby. Here.
Whoa, look at all the milk. Oh boy, she's had a baby. That's a lot, huh?
I'm gonna feed her some grain.
Hey, wait, keep it in the bucket. I think you want to keep it in the bucket.
Dump it really close to her.
Oh, dump it, okay. Closer, Jay. There you go.
There you go. Now she's happy. Now he's getting the bucket ready to milk her.
Ooh, can I help?
Right here.
I know how to milk them.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Here. You gotta dip it.
Hey, Dad, come around so you can see the cow. Oh, hit me with the tail.
You want a dipper?
Yeah, sure. I know.
Okay, what you do is just take this and you squeeze it. Squeeze it like that.
Put it
Look at
against
me.
the nipple.
See how I'm squeezing it gently?
Yeah.
And it's filling up here. See how it goes?
Yeah.
Okay, so then you gotta dip each of her teeth. I'll hold the tail so she doesn't get you.
Ooh.
Get right in there and swallow it. Oh,
Whoa.
she's gonna kick.
Okay. I'll go around from this angle so she doesn't.
Oh, still gonna kick.
Oh my, she didn't kick me, right?
Yep, just swash her around. There you go. Now do the next one.
Didn't kick me. Is that all of them?
You got one more. There's 4. There you go. You got it. Good job.
Dirty
Here.
job.
Dirty job.
Oh my
Now
God.
here, you can go in here and wash your hands off.
Okay, yeah. Okay.
And then what he's gonna do is he's gonna check the milk to see if the milk's okay for the baby.
Okay.
So he's squirting it out. And we put what we call a sealant.
Yeah.
There's some like rubbery plastic in there.
Oh yes.
Kind of seals it up. But then he's looking at the actual milk.
Huh.
There's that plastic sealant in there.
Kitty cat wants some. Kitty cat wants some.
Where's the guy?
Over there.
Oh.
2 cats waiting.
Leave that milk. Dirty job.
So he's got all the plastic cleaned out to seal it and stuff. Alrighty. You want to try squirting one squirt?
Sure, sure.
Okay, come up here.
Do I put it in a bucket or just
No,
squirt?
just squirt it on the ground. We'll pretend you're checking it. We just gotta get her not to kick you.
No, it's coming out.
You just squeeze harder.
I'm squeezing as hard as I can.
You got some right, yeah? A little bit coming
There you
out.
go.
Squeeze harder.
There's Chuck.
She's not kicking you, right?
Yeah.
Oh, there you go.
Oh yeah, I figured it out. A bit's coming out, not a lot. So now he's cleaning off its tail, giving it some vaccine
shot.
shots, giving it a shot. And
Got needle like nothing. Won't do
Yeah.
that tough.
it's so small compared to the cow's body. See it giving the shot in there. The cow's okay, guys, if
Oh,
you're wondering.
drawing some blood. There you go.
Now, okay guys, now they're gonna use this machine to milk the cow, and then all the milk will go into that little plastic container. And I can probably help milk the cow. And what's that little container? Am I able to get some through there with that container?
See the kids?
Oh, okay. So we're gonna actually pour it into there. There we go.
Hopefully she'll fill it.
She's going poop. She's going poop. A little bit of poop. So yeah. Here, zoom in so you can see what's going on. I'll zoom it. Good, zoom it. You can see the milk from there. There you go. So you can see the milk collecting around down there in that little circular part. And it's sucking on her nipples, and then the milk's going around to that little gas tanker. And then he's gonna pour it into that bottle right there. And that's how we're gonna feed the baby calf that she just had born. Just watch this. Big poop.
See if I miss it.
Okay guys, now we're gonna pour the milk into the little calf's bottle. And that's all the milk from that giant mama. Over there.
Liquid gold.
Yep.
Ooh. What do you think?
Just enough.
You're good.
Well, that's good. We'll probably take that extra over. That calf seemed like she was hungry. You
Yeah.
want to carry one?
Sure.
Don't drop it. It's liquid gold.
Okay.
Okay? Thank you, Lily.
Okay guys, here we go to go feed this to the baby calf that she just had a couple hours ago. Okay guys, it's time to feed the liquid gold to this baby calf right here. Just got born. He's coming over to scare her out.
Maybe if you hold it up to the gate, she'll come. Hold on, Jack. Don't spill any.
There we go. Just gonna open the gate.
Watch out, Goldie.
Right up out of the way.
Alright, Dad, come film inside so you get it.
Well, I'm going to bring her outside, okay?
Bring her out. Come
Got
back
this
here, Goldie.
liquid gold already. You can see the kittens coming up, or not the kitten, the cat.
Somebody got milk. Somebody got milk for me.
There we go. Ready for your milk?
Whoa! There you go.
Here we go, guys. Feeding the baby cat.
All right. Tip it up a little bit more. We're actually trying to pull it away from her a little bit rather than push it in her mouth. We want her to pull.
Oh, I see. Is this good?
Yep, perfect.
Guys, now we're gonna give a pill to the baby cat. Okay guys, now that we got all that cow stuff done, we're gonna go see the baby kitten. Here we go, it's inside this room. It's a bit loud in this room, so let's just go outside for a moment just to film them real quick. You can tell they're in a loud room. Okay guys, here we go. Here's the baby Okay guys, now I got the 2 kittens out. Here's one, they don't have names yet, but here's one. He's like a little light brown color. Just got born a bit ago, he's so small. Here's the other one, similar color to my cat Priscilla, a little bit of a calico. That's the little kittens. And also, my baby sister loves to hold the kittens.
Okay.
And I do too.
And then the kid. You see? That's a kid. Oh.
That's it for today's video. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, Shorts Doing Moonshot Adventures. And there also might be a part 2 of this because we may be also being to go to other farms. So,